Franklin D. Roosevelt was president from 1933 until his death in 1945. He was pretty popular as president throughout the 1930s. In fact, he won re-election 4 times. That's more than any other president in U.S. history. But not everyone in the United States supported the New Deal. Some Americans thought that his programs expanded the power of the federal government too much. FDR's biggest challenge came from the Supreme Court. Think back to August when we were studying checks and balances and the constitutional principles. The U.S. Constitution gives each branch of the government ways to check the power of the other branches. The Supreme Court has the power to strike down laws that are unconstitutional. And in 1935, that's just what they did. The court decided that the National Industrial Recovery Act was unconstitutional. The next year, the court struck down the Agricultural Adjustment Act, saying that the federal government had no right to regulate farming. FDR was furious. He thought that these programs were really important, and he was afraid that the court was trying to dismantle the entire New Deal. So, the president asked Congress to pass a new law. The Supreme Court has 9 justices or judges, but FDR asked Congress to pass a law that would allow him to appoint an additional 6 justices to the Supreme Court. That way he could pack the court with judges who would support his programs. This was seen by many as an obvious power grab by FDR. Even many of his supporters saw this as a threat to the system of checks and balances. The Congress did not pass the law allowing FDR to add the judges. This was seen as FDR's first major political defeat. However, and maybe this is just coincidence, the Supreme Court never again challenged the New Deal.